I literally can't open this door all the way. Like, this is a hot mess. I'm so sorry if you can hear my neighbor mowing his lawn in the background, but if I use that as an excuse to procrastinate doing this, I'm not going to clean my closet for the next like 2 months because I've been procrastinating making this video for far too long now. But hey you guys, what's up? It's Hannah and welcome back to my channel. We're deep cleaning my closet today, yay! Okay, so here's my closet. It's literally so stuffed that the door does not open. On the front of it, I hang my Minnie Mouse ears. One of them fell down, but I usually keep them up here. And then because the door does not open, let's go inside. So on the floor, there's just this ever-present pile of clothes because very bad habit of like dumping clothes on the floor, which I need to fix and we will fix in this video because I can't deal with this chaos anymore. But for like general organization, even though I apparently don't follow it, up here is mostly like hanging dresses and jackets and my ao dai, which are like Vietnamese dresses and stuff, and then a bunch of crap back there, like old storage of my old American Girl dolls, Christmas decorations, a bunch of random crap. These are like these are like tank tops and undergarments. These are skirts. These are shorts. We have my jeans, sweaters and hoodies, sweaters and hoodies, and sweaters and hoodies because I have an obsession. I need to get rid of some of those. Those are things that I was going to sell on Poshmark, but now I feel like I need to like go back through them, and things that haven't sold I'm just gonna donate because at this point it's just taking up space. Pajamas, like these drawers are so broken. I'm gonna take them out and move another one of these cube thingies in that used to be in my room as well, but you guys will see that when we get to that part of the video. So one nail fell off. Please ignore that. I'll glue it back on later. We'll use my thumb. This drawer was pajamas. That drawer is tops. That drawer is more tops, I think. And then that's athletic clothes. Pile of crap. And hanging bags and stuff. That is the current state of affairs of my closet, I guess you could say. The plan for this video, I'm sorry, I really hope you can't hear the mowing because it's annoying me too. The plan for this video is to first take everything out of my closet. I'm just going to leave it on a giant pile on the floor, and then we're going to kind of rearrange the inside, and I'm going to bring in like the cubicle and give my closet a cute little makeover. And then from there, I'm going to figure out how I'm going to organize everything in a way that's going to work. And then we're going to start tackling and going through all my clothes. That is the plan for this video. I'm going to set you guys up on a time lapse so you can watch the giant pile of me owning too much clothes form. So, here we go. I've been an addict, over dramatic, stuck on a habit. I just took everything out of my closet, and this is absolutely ridiculous. In my closet at the moment, I am going to vacuum the floor and all that jazz because it does need to be vacuumed, but there's absolutely nothing in here. But then, this isn't even clothes. This is just all the stuff that I managed to fit in my closet that aren't clothing items, and I don't know how I did that. And then this gigantic, terrifying piles, the actual pile of clothes that we are dealing with at the moment. So before I go ahead and tackle this, because I'm going to do the clothes before I deal with that, I'm going to vacuum my closet and also move some stuff around because I have another one of these cube things in the hallway right now. I'm going to take this drawer out because it's really old and it's actually broken. Like the last drawer is completely broken and doesn't work. So I did all of that for virtually no reason because my idea of 2 cubes did not work out. So I'm going to leave this one in here, but what I'm going to do with the rest of my closet, I don't know. We will figure that out later though, because I'm gonna take a spaghetti break. So, I've yet to figure out what to do about my closet dilemma, but we will figure that out eventually. In the meantime though, I think I am just going to start sorting through all my clothes. So I'm going to do 3 piles. We're going to do keep, sell, and donate, because I feel like I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of clothes because my style has also changed a lot in the last year. I feel like I used to not really care that much and I would just wear whatever, but now I think that I have my own sense of style and I kind of want to be able to match that. We are going to tackle this mountain. I feel like this is a decent angle, so I'm going to sit you guys here and catch up on a bunch of Grey's Anatomy because I'm like 6 episodes behind.
Better late than never. I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting.
Alright y'all, if you hear noise in the background, Ruth is high-key struggling. She's editing her first ever video right now. I'm so excited for her. But I finished finally going through all of whatchamacallit. I finally finished going through all of the donate clothes and stuff. So there's 2 trash bags and that little bag over there. Those are donations. I'm gonna put that bag into a normal bag because I'm gonna keep that bag. That made no sense. Okay. Those 3 bags are donations. This pile of clothes is stuff I'm going to post on Poshmark. So what I think I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through the pile that you can't even see. I'm going to go through this pile of clothes and I'm just going to not take pictures. I'm going to take a thumb.
Give me a time to stop editing.
5.
5? Okay.
I'm going to start going through my keep pile and I'm going to sort it into like categories like skirts, shirts, dresses, and all that jazz, just so I have a better idea of what I'm working with. And because this video has been full of so many time lapses, I will catch you guys when this is done. I feel like I've enshrouded myself in a circle of clothes, but I finished organizing everything that I am keeping. So this pile behind me is dresses and jackets which need to be hung up, and then this little pile is shirts, and most of them aren't even like normal shirts, they're like undershirts. And then oh, that's a beanie, but those are like the sweater tops that it's too hot to wear now, hoodies and crew necks, and then my one sweater vest that I love dearly. Jeans, I actually only have 2 pairs of like straight leg jeans, which are these jeans and the ones I'm wearing now. I don't really wear skinny jeans anymore, but I feel like I might need them at some point, so I'm keeping 1 black pair, 1 light wash pair, and 1 dark pair just in case. So this should go in the tops pile. These are like tank tops and bralettes, shorts, skirts, pajamas, and workout clothes. So I think this has told me that I need more shorts and more like summer tops. So hopefully prepare for a clothing haul coming soon. And this light is so bad. I'm so sorry. I think I'm going to start putting all this in my closet.
Cold sweat, I was in a nightmare, searching in the dark, but I couldn't find you. There were footsteps coming down the hallway, but when I turned around, it wasn't you. I was looking at myself.
Alright y'all, so I just finished, I still have to put the ow yai in the closet, but that's about it. I just finished hanging up all the clothes, not like counting that stuff. And I'm high-key shook. Right here, please ignore like the fact that 2 of my nails fell off. But right here, this is all my jackets and stuff like that. These are shorter dresses, these are maxi dresses, tank tops, shirts, skirts, more like the tops that I wear more often, workout clothes, jeans, my 2 pairs of shorts, pajamas, the sweater pile, and my sweater vest, hoodies. I forgot what's in here. Oh, those are like the long sweaters that are too thick, and this one, I lied, this one is tank tops, or swimsuits, sorry. My closet feels very empty, but like those are the things that I genuinely do wear, so I'm happy about that. And after I post everything on Poshmark, It gives me an excuse to go shopping and get more clothes.
Hi, editing Hannah here. Sorry for the crustiness. This is genuinely how I sit when I edit. But that is all for this video because apparently I never filmed an outro. I did end up going through like the big pile of stuff on my bed and I put some of it back in my closet, but I forgot to film it. So, good job me. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see next. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Monday and Friday Pacific Standard Time. Follow the social medias linked in the description if you want. Dang, this is a long outro of plugs. Have a good day. Don't forget to smile. I love you. Jesus loves you. And I'll see you in the next one.